Hello everyone. In this demo, I will demonstrate web application vulnerability testing using Burp Suite and OWASP. I will intercept a login request, demonstrate SQL injection, and briefly explain the remediation. First, click on Open Browser and then open the Juice Shop browser, or we can say website. So this is the OWASP Juice Shop, deliberately vulnerable web application used for security testing and training. I will demonstrate a SQL injection vulnerability here. On Burp Suite, start the Intercept. Now click on the account and then login. I am testing the login functionality by submitting a normal login request. Enter the credentials and click on the logins button. Here we can see Burp Suite intercept the HTTP request, allowing me to intercept the data being sent between the browser and the server. Now I am sending this request to repeater so I can modify the input and test how the application handle it. Here you can see our submitted credential here. Now I'm going to modify it and then send it. Here I have modified the email parameter with a SQL injection test payload to check whether the input is properly handled. Now click on the send button. The server returns a successful response and authenticates the request as an administration, confirming the vulnerability. SQL injection occurs when user input is incorrectly processed as part of a database query, allowing the intended application behavior to be manipulated. So, remediation for this to prevent SQL injection, developers should use parameterized queries or proper statements along with proper input validation. So the conclusion is this demo covered the complete process: intercepting a request, testing the input, identifying the vulnerability, and explaining its remediation.